Oh well, ugly American again. I ended the video by accident when we got off the boat, but looks like he's going to do a deal. 90,000 pesos.
Everything.
We get that in the floating dock, and me and Mr. Leary are going to drag it over to the thing today. But Isa, are we going with you to the bank?
Yeah.
Me and Isa are going to go to the bank, get the pesos out, and come right back and pay the man and take our boat. And our dock. Is that a floating dock or is that hooked onto some mangroves? Is it floating?
Yeah, it's floating.
Okay.
Kaya pa yun makatilaw ng ligo. Ligo? Ligo. That's an old dock. That's an old floating dock. Lagi kailangan man gud sa makina na makatilaw na ng kaligo.
Why do you say that?
Pila na ka?
I thought you guys told me it was worth it. Hon?
Pila na kabuyan dyan? Hold on, I'm gonna ask you about how old is that floating dock been sitting there?
Yeah, but just how much would it cost to redo it? You're talking about $100, 5,000 pesos.
$100 to build it, but if you wanna redo it, you have to replace all of it. Pila na kabuyan?
Ha?
February, so
It's new.
yeah.
February ko no.
So how many months
All right,
now?
you film.
Huh?
You film.
March,
I'm gonna shake
April,
his
May.
hand.
3 months. Okay. O sige na, pag kuan na, deal na.
So everybody's okay? Everybody's
Okay, uh-huh.
90,000? Deal. We're gonna go,
90,000
get the money,
for a big
come right
boat,
back, pay you,
everything,
take
including
your-
the floating dock.
Okay? Okay.
Kani ka na dyan.
All right, let's go do that.
Alright, I'm
What
gonna
do you
end up
guys-
the video,
what do you
Han. I'm
Huh?
gonna end the video.
Go ahead and end it. Yeah.
Alright, thanks. Enjoy watching our videos. Please click like and subscribe. We'll be right back. Bye.